Mahesh Babu, the Prince of Telugu cinema. Mahesh Babu, born Mahesh Ghattamaneni on August 9, 1975, is one of the most celebrated and influential actors in the Telugu film industry. Often referred to as the Prince of Tollywood, Mahesh Babu has garnered a massive fan following due to his charm, acting prowess, and philanthropic endeavors. With a career spanning over 2 decades, he has delivered numerous blockbuster films and has established himself as a versatile actor who can effortlessly transition between various genres. Early life and background, family and early influences. Mahesh Babu was born into a prominent film family in Chennai, Tamil Nadu. His father, Krishna Ghattamaneni, is a legendary actor in Telugu cinema, while his mother, Indira Devi, was a homemaker. Growing up in a family deeply rooted in the film industry, Mahesh was exposed to cinema from an early age. His elder brother, Ramesh Babu, and sister, Manjula, also pursued careers in the film industry. Education. Despite being a star child, Mahesh Babu's parents ensured that he had a normal upbringing. He attended St. Bede's Anglo-Indian Higher Secondary School in Chennai, where he was classmate with actor Karti, younger brother of Tamil superstar Surya. After completing his schooling, Mahesh pursued a Bachelor of Commerce degree from Loyola College, Chennai. He later spent a few months in the United States for further studies before returning to India to focus on his acting career. Acting career, child artist. Mahesh Babu made his acting debut as a child artist in the film Needa, 1979, directed by Dasari Narayana Rao. He appeared in several films as a child actor, including Portham, 1983, Sankravam, 1987, and Bazaar Rowdy, 1988. His early exposure to acting laid the foundation for his future career in cinema. Debut as a lead actor. Mahesh Babu made his debut as a lead actor with the film Raja Kumarudu, 1999, directed by K. Raghavendra Rao. The film, which also starred Preity Zinta, was a commercial success and earned Mahesh his first Nandi Award for Best Male Debut. His charming screen presence and natural acting skills quickly won him a large fan base. Breakthrough and stardom. Mahesh Babu's breakthrough came with the film Okadu, 2003, directed by Gunashekhar. The film was a massive hit and established him as a leading star in Telugu cinema. His portrayal of Ajay Vam, a young kabaddi player who rescues a girl from a notorious faction leader, was highly praised. Okadu remains one of the biggest hits of Mahesh Babu's career and won him several awards, including the Filmfare Award for Best Actor Telugu. Commercial success and versatility. Over the years, Mahesh Babu has delivered several blockbuster films that have cemented his status as a top star in Tollywood. Films like Atahdu, 2005, Pokiri, 2006, Dukudu, 2011, Srimanthudu, 2015, and Bharatene Nenu, 2018, showcase his versatility as an actor. Whether it's playing an action hero, a romantic lead, or a socially responsible character, Mahesh Babu has excelled in every role. Pokiri and Pan-India recognition. Pokiri, 2006, directed by Puri Jagannath, was a game-changer for Mahesh Babu. His portrayal of Pandu, an undercover cop disguised as a ruthless gangster, earned him widespread acclaim and catapulted him to national fame. The film was not only a blockbuster in Telugu but also inspired remakes in Tamil, Hindi, and Kannada. Mahesh Babu's dialogue delivery, stylish demeanor, and intense performance made Pokiri one of the most iconic films in his career. Recent works and continued success. Mahesh Babu's recent films, such as Maharshi, 2019, Sarileru Nikevvaru, 2020, and Sarkaru Vari Pata, 2022, have continued to perform well at the box office, reaffirming his status as a leading star in the industry. His films often address social issues, and his performances reflect his maturity and growth as an actor. Awards and recognitions. Awards. Mahesh Babu has won several prestigious awards throughout his career, including 8 Nandi Awards, 5 Filmfare Awards South, 4 SIIMA Awards, and 3 Cinema Awards. His ability to consistently deliver box office hits and critically acclaimed performances has earned him a reputation as one of the most dependable actors in the industry. Recognition beyond Telugu cinema. While primarily a Telugu actor, Mahesh Babu's popularity extends beyond the Telugu-speaking states. He has a significant fan following in other parts of India and among the Indian diaspora worldwide. His films are often dubbed in multiple languages, further increasing his reach and popularity. Personal life, marriage and family. Mahesh Babu married former Bollywood actress Namrata Sirotkar in 2005. The couple met on the sets of the film Vansi 2000 and fell in love during the making of the movie. They have 2 children, son Gautam Krishna and daughter Sitara. Despite his busy schedule, Mahesh Babu is known to be a devoted family man who values his time with his wife and children. Philanthropy. Mahesh Babu is actively involved in philanthropic activities. He adopted 2 villages, Baripalam in Andhra Pradesh and Siddhapuram in Telangana, under the Smart Village Smart Ward program and has contributed significantly to their development. He is also known for his contributions to various social causes, including education, healthcare, and disaster relief. Business ventures. Besides acting, Mahesh Babu has ventured into business. He owns a production house called G. Mahesh Babu Entertainment Pvt. Limited and has produced several of his own films. He is also the co-owner of the clothing brand The Hub & Co., which focuses on affordable and stylish apparel. Legacy and impact. Influence on Telugu cinema. Mahesh Babu is often credited with redefining the Telugu film industry with his choice of roles and socially relevant films. His movies have consistently set new benchmarks at the box office, and his star power has played a significant role in the commercial success of Telugu cinema. Youth icon and style icon. Mahesh Babu is considered a youth icon, and his style, charisma, and public persona have made him a trendsetter. He has been named among the most desirable men in India by various magazines and polls. His influence extends to fashion, where his casual and sophisticated style is widely emulated by his fans. Respected by peers. Mahesh Babu is highly respected by his peers in the film industry for his professionalism, dedication, and humility. Despite his superstar status, he is known for being down to earth and maintaining strong relationships with his colleagues and co-stars. Mahesh Babu's journey from a child artist to one of the biggest stars in Indian cinema is a testament to his talent, hard work, and commitment to his craft. With a string of successful films, numerous awards, and a legacy of socially impactful work, he continues to be a driving force in the Telugu film industry. Beyond his on-screen success, Mahesh Babu's philanthropic efforts and role as a family man make him a role model for many. As he continues to take on new challenges and deliver memorable performances, Mahesh Babu's star is sure to shine even brighter in the years to come.